Hey, good looking. Want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine and swing onto my kitchen and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today we're going to be doing a pantry quickie. So come along and follow me. Well, hey there, good looking. I'm so glad you came to my kitchen today. So let's go ahead and let's get cooking. I already toasted up some homemade bread. I didn't have time to make some Italian bread, so I'm just gonna make do with the bread that my husband made. And booger, look at this. It's canned bruschetta. So we're gonna go ahead, open up the canned bruschetta. I have some dry basil leaves, and then back here I made a homemade balsamic drizzle. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna open up my bruschetta and drain out most of the liquid, and I'm gonna sit there and add just a tad more onions to my bruschetta because I like it a little bit more with some onions in it. Okay, now that I drained out most of our liquid that was in the bruschetta, I'm just going to sit here and take a small amount of these onions and I'm going to just add it to the jar and mix it all in with the bruschetta. Alright, let's just grab a few pieces just for demonstration purposes. Now I would come over here to my bruschetta that I already have in a jar and give a generous amount to each one. Just as such. Now I'm going to take some of that balsamic drizzle and we're just going to drizzle some of it over each one of our pieces of toast and our bruschetta on top, just as such. Now I just have some of the dried basil leaves on, or in my hand, and we're going to sprinkle that on top. Here's a nice little finished up one, and let's go ahead and give this a little taste test. They're extremely tasty. And it's one of my favorite snacks. So if you like this little pantry quickie of mine, go down below, give me a big old thumbs up. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. If you're not a subscriber yet, subscribe today, tap that little bell, that way you'll always be notified every time I put out a new video. And y'all come back now.